Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you how you can transfer funds from Remitly to GCash. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, first of all, we need to access Remitly. So let's jump into our account using the mobile app. You can also use the website. If you're new, you need to sign up or create an account with your email address and then verify your identity. This is for security purposes. You'll do a KYC, which is Know Your Customer. You now need to select the Philippines as your destination country and enter the amount that you wish to send in Philippine pesos, and Remitly will then display the exchange rate in real time. From the available delivery method, select GCash as your preferred option. This will ensure that funds go directly to the recipient's mobile wallet. Provide the recipient's full name exactly as registered on their GCash account, along with their GCash mobile number. Then go and choose your payment method. This will include bank account, debit or credit card, and your delivery speed. So you will have the option of Express for instant delivery. This will have a higher fee attached to it, or the economy, which will take a little bit longer, but it'll have a lower cost. Double check all of your details, including the amount, your fees, and your recipient information. Confirm the transfer. And the recipient will then receive an SMS notification once the funds have arrived in the GCash wallet. I hope this was helpful.